Let's look at how we can create a flowchart using myViewBoard. To create a flowchart, let me click on Shapes and choose from different shapes available. So I would like to choose the first shape as an oval one. Then I would like to have three boxes followed by an oval again. Of course, I can resize them based on my need. Here it is. I would like to join them using some arrows. Let me choose arrows. Here are the arrows. So here is the flowchart for me to use. In case I wish to add some text here, I can do that as well. So let me write some text, for instance, start. Let me, talk about a process to make bread butter. Buy bread and butter from the market. The second step is put butter on bread. And the third step is plate it. And then the last one is stop. So here I have created a small flowchart which explains how we can make bread butter and plate it.